Hello guys, it's been a while but I'm back on track, and I want to welcome you on the next lesson when I'll be teaching you how to play Lemonade by Internet Money, featured with Toliver, Gunna and Nav. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so let's move on to the chords, yeah? So we've got 4 chords in this song, which is one by one. It's C sharp minor, sorry, right? B major, G sharp minor, and A major. Right, so the way I play it is quite different than the sound, than the melody in the actual song, yeah. So because it's not based on only chords, yeah. You add some elements that will spice a little bit the song up, yeah. So this is how it goes. Okay guys, I'll come a little bit closer so you can see exactly how to play it. So let's start with strumming, yeah. So we start with a C sharp minor, yeah. And we take the 4th string, the 3rd string, the 2nd and 1st in a row, yeah? So it goes like this. Right? So this is the 1st chord. And we move on to the next one, which is B major. So we play 4 strings at once, which is 5th string, 4th string, the 3rd string and the 2nd string. Yeah, so it goes. So 4, 3, 2, 1, slap, 4 strings, and we add the 4th string, 2nd string, yeah. So again. Yeah. 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3, and the 2nd string on the 5th fret, right? So this is how it goes. Yeah, so again, B major, 4, 2, 3, 2nd string, and then 3 and 4 back again. So 4, 2, 3, 2, and 3, 4. The next chord is a G sharp. This is an easy part because we go again. Yeah, so exactly the same thing, but what changes here is the strings you use, yeah. So you play 5th, 4th, 3rd and the 2nd string on G sharp minor, yeah. So 5, 4, 3 and 2. Again. Slap, and we go to 5th, which is 4th chord, which is A major, and we play it picking 4 strings at once. Like this, 4 at once. Again. And 4, 2, 4 string, 4 string, 2nd string, and 3rd string, yeah. And we add this element, which is on the 7th fret, the 2nd string, the B string, yes? So we go. Yeah. And the 3rd string, the G string, on the 8th fret. Yeah, so. And we leave it, and again, 3rd string, yeah? So again. All clear? Alright, so I'm gonna play again so you can see exactly how it goes, yeah? So I told you how to do it before, now you can follow the steps and play along with me. So this is how it goes. Obviously, you don't have to play exactly the same way I'm doing it, but you can also spice it up in the way you like, right? So, for example, it's just like... just whatever you like, yeah? You can add slaps, you can add different strumming pattern, it's all based on these 4 chords. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe to the channel where you can learn your favorite songs on the guitar, and if you have any song requests, please drop the comment down below and I'll see what I can do with it, right? So thank you and see you in the next video. Peace.